So guys, I just purchased the Launch CRP123. I bought it from, I believe it's pronounced King Bolin. Could be wrong. But it's a real small scanner. It says that it can read engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems. See all the stuff that it supports. Supports all 10 test modes for OBD. You can read clear codes, look at readiness monitors, graph data, look at freeze frame, all kinds of stuff. So here's what you get. I'll open this up. So you get the scan tool. I'll lay this all out. Has a little screen protector on it. You get the OBD2 cord, USB cable, looks like a micro SD card. Well, it's a micro SD card adapter. You get a quick guide for registration. Just you get a free gift. And you get a user's manual. Now let's look at this. So there's the micro USB card slot, and then there's a micro SD card in there. And it looks like this attaches to the top. Let's see if we can do this one-handed. And then screw the screws in on both sides. And it looks like it has a rubber case on it. Kind of nice. And then there's a protective cap right on the OBD2 cover, and that's it. You're ready to go. Hope you guys like this. See you later. So I got the Launch CRP123 here. You want to connect to the OBD2 port that's usually underneath the dash, and then it'll turn on. You want to turn your key on. You want to make sure it's actually at the run position. So we got diagnose, settings, and help. We'll go over to settings. We'll look at settings. Got DLC information, DTC library. We can look up a code here. We'll do 301, which is a cylinder 1 misfire. Do that. Let's make up one. Let's just pick something weird. There you go. P0424. Heated catalyst temperature below threshold. Look at abbreviations. That's kind of handy sometimes. Tool information. It's going to vehicle coverage. Looks like it's just generic information. Go under settings. This is where you can change your language, units of measurement, turn the beeper on and off, record mode. Let's go under diagnose. OBD2, EOBD is going to be all your generic information. There's two sides. You got generic, and then you got the manufacturer side. So this tells us how many DTCs we have, and if our monitors are ready. We can read codes. We won't have any. Readiness. So it'll tell us What monitors are not set? Data stream. We'll start the truck up. So we'll view all items. There we go. It's updating pretty quickly. Let's go under graphing. We'll just look at this real quick. Seems to be graphing pretty quick. Seems pretty nice for such a cheap tool. I shouldn't say cheap. Low priced. Let's go under scan, Chrysler. Automatic. Let's scan the engine, TCM, ABS, and occupant restraint. Let's go underneath the engine. We can look at our ECU information. Can read codes. Sometimes you'll get more codes here than in the OBD side. So we'll look at information here. You can actually select each one of these by just clicking on them. And escape is to view them. So we'll continue down this list. So 140 pits on this vehicle. Looks like the transmission's in here too, because these are all transmission control module PIDs. Low reverse clutch. I guess that's underdrive clutch, overdrive clutch. Let's see. Yeah, so there's a clutch volume, so that's working. Let's go under ABS. You can look at ECU information. Read codes. Let's look at the data stream. Let's look at all these, see if this works. So that's working. Seems to be updating fairly quick. Let's see. And let's go down to the occupant restraint. A lot of scan tools don't do this unless you get your higher ones. CU information. Let's get a data stream. There's that. Let's see our resistance values. Resistance values are the most important part. Let's just do all these. I don't know if this is resistance or not. Yeah, there we go. So we got our resistance values. So it's pretty awesome that a tool can do this. And you can also update it on the computer. See what manufacturer this supports. This even does Saab. Saab's one that Snap-on doesn't even support. So this looks like a really good tool for the price. Hope you guys like this. See you later.